come to 4KS Training today to do a refresher course for my forklift license, which is counterbalance and long reach. It's a great first step in knowing how to operate machinery in tight quarters. It's been pretty good actually. All the instructors have got years of experience in the industry as drivers, range from 10 to 30 years. So they know how to deal with certain circumstances and what you'll expect, and they can give insight to the industry. The instructors have been pretty friendly. There's been no issue. They allow everyone to learn at their own pace. So the last time I drove a forklift was about 3 years ago, and I am quite rusty, but the instructors are quite slow, they're quite friendly, and they're quite open, so they allow for time to learn and correct any mistakes. Even if you're experienced, they'll still tell you tips and tricks on how to do the job properly.